Hi, I'm Charles. I'm a network operations technician for an ISP. I signed up for B-Sides because everyone talked about it at DEF CON last year and the year before, and I saw Hacking the Storm, and I looked up what the Storm was, and I found out it's the same people who do the CEH. It's like, oh, okay, I need to go to this one. My thoughts on the Storm are it's a interesting little device. You know, you have this tiny piece of equipment, well, it's Raspberry Pi really, and a screen. And it's something really small you can tuck into a bag, or if you wanted to use it during a pen test, you could throw it on someone's desk as like a photo frame. There's a lot of different ways to disguise it, and it makes it a much smaller device you have to deal with rather than dragging a laptop around everywhere. Going through the course, it's really interesting. The amount of things you can do with this, it feels a lot like what I would see with Kali or Parrot, but just much smaller and really convenient to use. It's a really cool little box. With what I learned today, it really inspired me to go after my CEH, which will help me in my job. It's also taught me to be a lot more aware of even little things, like with routers and switches, like we would see in the core. You know, just because they're tucked in the core doesn't mean they're not vulnerable. And so it's inspired me to kind of go back to basics. Let's look everything over again, and really lock our network down even more.